अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम करते हैं आपका राकिब ज़िया के यूट्यूब चैनल में। आज हम बीएलएलबी एंट्रेंस की सीरीज़ में जनरल साइंस की बात करेंगे। तो ये हमारा फोर्थ लेक्चर है इसके ऊपर। अगर आप पहले फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड लेक्चर को देखना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए आप हमारी जो है यूट्यूब पे जाइए और वहाँ पर जो है ये वीडियोज़ अवेलेबल हैं। तो यूनिवर्स के बारे में आज हम जानेंगे। यूनिवर्स के बारे में कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स है जो आपको याद रखने चाहिए। Number one is stars is formed from hydrogen and helium gases. All the stars generate energy due to the nuclear fusion reaction. The distance of two galaxies is increasing. Black holes is infinitely intensive body. India's first artificial satellite was Aryabhata. The planet of the longest distance from the sun is Neptune. The sun revolves around its axis, which is the rotation. The period is approximately 25 days. The brightest star, Sirius, distance from Earth is about 8.7 light years. The warmest planet in the solar system is Venus. The number of planets in the solar system is 8. The largest planet is Jupiter. The planet closest to the sun is Mercury. The upper layer of the Earth is called the Earth crust. The sun is at the center of the solar system. The planet with the most satellites is Saturn. Two planets between sun and earth are Venus and Mercury. Ice, oil floats on the surface of the water due to its low density. The day temperature on the moon is 100 degrees Celsius. The source of the sun's energy is the nuclear fusion. Smallest satellite of universe Deimos. The time to reach moon's light on the earth is 1 minute 3 seconds, while the reach sun light to the earth is 8 minutes. The outmost visible part of the sun is called photosphere. Scientific facts कुछ important है, like ocean is appear to be blue due to reflection of light. A rainbow is formed due to a combination of refraction, dispersion, and internal reflection of sunlight within water droplets in rainwater vapor in the atmosphere. Light appears to be travel in a straight line because amplitude of wavelength is not so high. Diamond shines at night because high refractive index of it. Stars shine because atmosphere refraction. Electrical engineering use rubber gloves because they avoid chances of completing circuit from them. Never sleep beneath tree at night because it produces carbon dioxide at night. Mercury travels around the sun in 88 days. Moon is the only satellite of the Earth that takes 27.3 days to complete an orbiting the Earth. Halley's Caudal star appears after 76 years. The heat of the center of the Earth is about 40,000 Celsius and the pressure is about 37 million times atmospheric pressure. Earth is covered with gases covering which is the atmosphere. Earth rotates on its axis from west to east. At the surface of the Earth, mainly in the atmosphere, nitrogen is 78% and oxygen is 21%. The closest layer of the Earth is troposphere. Weight at moon is 1/6 of the Earth because of gravitational force. Season day-night formation on Earth due to rotation of Earth. In high windy day, dew is not so much due to the high evaporation rate. Sodium and potassium are placed in a kerosene oil to avoid its reaction with oxygen. The light of thunder appears first, then its sound comes because speed of light is faster than speed of sound. In winter, water pipe gets burst because volume of water increases when it becomes solid. Cream particles get separate from milk because of central force. Concave mirror is used to dentist to magnify the view of teeth. Convex mirror is used in cars to see enlarged view. तो ये कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स थे। अब इसके बाद है मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज, जो ये ऐसे एमसीक्यूज है जो पिछले 15 साल के जितने भी बीएलएलबी आईएलबी एंट्रेंस के पेपर्स आए हैं उनमें पूछे गए हैं। तो यहाँ पर पहला एमसीक्यू है, द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस विच डील्स विद द स्टडी ऑफ कैंसर इज सी ऑन्कोलॉजी. हु इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न जेनेटिक्स? It is Gregor J. Mendel. Chandrayaan 2 mission 2019 was launched by which vehicle? उसका नाम क्या था? GSLV Mk3 M1. The first man who placed his foot on the moon was Neil Armstrong. Concept of relations between mass and energy was evolved by Einstein. Raman effect is used in the study of molecular energy. The source of sun's energy is nuclear fusion. Sounds cannot travel through vacuum. The red rust of tea is caused by B. Green alga. Some plants develop fruits without fertilization. This phenomena is called parthenocarpy. Which one is the first web browser invented in 1990? Nexus. Who said a body will remain at rest unless an external force acts on the body? Newton. Which of the following is primarily a digital book reader? Amazon Kindle. Which one of the following storage media has the maximum storage capacity? D. Blu-ray disc. Which of the following is not a video gaming console? MacBook. Device that takes data from user and converts into form that can be easily understandable by computer is input device. An intermediate between computer hardware and software is firmware. What is the name of NASA's rover for mission 2020? यानी क्या था 2020 में mission? That was Perseverance. Which country will host the UN Climate Summit COP26 in November 2020? ये भी हो चुका है, तो यह है UK. Who is popularly known as human calculator? यह है शकुंतला देवी, जिसको human calculator कहते हैं. Name the biggest organ in human body. That is liver. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, any AIDS is caused by, it is caused by virus. Which of the following is an optical illusion? Aurora. Xenophobia is disease caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Which of the following is a universal blood group? That is A, B, D. Which among the following is India's first indigenous COVID vaccine? Covaxin, यानी B. Who among the following is known as the father of modern genetics? यानी ये भी आया Mendel. RAT is a full form for rapid antigen test. Which among the following is the longest bone in the human body? Femur. 1 manometer is equal to billion of a meter. Electromagnetic wave with shortest wavelength is gamma waves. Which of the following is called as stranger gas zone? Which of the following is used to measure depth of the ocean? It is fathometer. The percentage of methane in compressed natural gas CNG is 95%. The famous double helix model of DNA was proposed by Wason and Crick. Steroid hormone is derived from cholesterol. A biological method of soil conservation is strip farming. Chemically, an enzyme is protein. Air is a mixture. Which of the following statement is correct regarding bipolar disorder? Patients with this disorder undergo intense mock shift, यानी B. Chandrayaan 2 mission was launched by which vehicle? GSLV Mk3. Becquerel is a unit of radioactivity. तो आज के लेक्चर में यहीं तक हम आएंगे. तो नेक्स्ट हमारा जो 5th लेक्चर आएगा उसमें 43 ऑनवर्ड जो इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज पूछे गए हैं बीएलएलबी और एलबी एंट्रेंस में वो हम आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे. तो चाहिए आज हमें यहीं पे इजाज़त दीजिए और हमें अपनी दुआ में याद रखिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच. खुदा हाफिज़.